Hello. So the other day I've tested the classic MACD 200 EMA strategy, and the result is not very good. I don't recommend anyone to trade the strategy at all. So anyway, someone in the comment section said to me that you should add RSI as another filter. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna test this 100 times to see if the RSI can improve this strategy. Okay, so for this strategy, you need 200 EMA, default MACD setting 12.26.9, and RSI. Okay, period 14 and level 50, and you need ATR indicator. I use this one, no nonsense ATR. So you put basically your stop loss is 2.5 times ATR, and your take profit is 3.75 times ATR. Okay, so it's 1 to 1.5 risk reward. All right. Okay, so for sell, you want the price to be below 200 EMA, okay? And the MACD has to cross down, and it must cross down from the above the zero line, okay? So it's above the zero line and cross down. And this is another filter for RSI. The RSI has to be below 50, okay? So just click 2 times. So this is your stop loss, okay? And your TP. So you just input here, sorry, 337, 56. So this ATR stop loss, okay? Okay, we got that one. So for buy, you want the MACD to cross up from below the zero line, okay? Cross up and it's below the zero line, and the price has to be above 200 EMA, and the RSI is above 50. So you just click, okay? This is your TP and this is your stop loss. So you just input here. All right. Okay, got that one. Okay, so this is the result of 100 backtest. So this is the equity curve. So we have 52 win and 48 losses, which is quite decent for 1 to 1.5 risk reward. So the RSI does help filtering out the false signals. Okay, it does help, and we made a 75% gain on account in 100 trade, but we have 9 consecutive losses, which is bad. But sometimes these things happens. Doesn't matter what strategy you use, it does happen sometimes. But the worst part of this strategy is, if you notice, it takes me more than a year to do 100 back tests. Okay, and if you watch my other videos, it usually only take like 3 to 4 months on 30-minute chart for me to do 100 back tests. So personally, I would not trade this strategy. Okay, so this is one of important factor to consider as well for strategy. Okay, you want a strategy that produce many signals. Okay, personally, I would not use this strategy. So make sure you check out my other videos. I have a strategy that have better win rate and more signals. Okay.